Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. Today's video I will guide you through the process to fix internet time sync issues in Windows 11. And now let's get started. First, we need to ensure the Windows Time service is running. To do this, search for Services in the Windows search bar and open the Services application. Scroll down the list until you find the Windows Time service. Right-click on it and select Start if it is not already running. Next, let us check your system's date and time settings. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the Time and Language tab on the left-hand side list. In the right pane, select Date and Time. Here, please ensure that the switches for Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are turned on. After confirming these settings, click on the Sync Now button to manually synchronize your system's time. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.